Good morning, everybody. It's FOMC day. Let's see what's going on. Uh, One thing for sure is that nobody's expecting any rate change today. There's a high chance no rate cut, no rate increase, so nothing. But it's so not. So it's all about Powell. What he's gonna say at 2:30. Is he gonna say we're gonna have rate cut? Is he gonna say no rate cut? So it's all about his words, and his words gonna move the market. So let's see what's going on pre-market right now. Yesterday was a nice jump up, especially in the morning was a little bit choppy, but then after 12 o'clock, Nvidia jump up made the market going more bullish into the close. But right now, ES almost near all-time high, and there is a possibility maybe we hit on the SPY and SPX maybe all-time high today, and then we'll see what's gonna happen at FOMC. Pre-market right now, 5 and 15 and 30 is downward, 1 hour downward, 4 hours. 4 hour is still very bullish, and daily MACD is kind of flat. NQ same thing, 5, 15 is dead crossing right now, 30 is kind of flat, not sure which direction is gonna go, not too far from all-time high. Actually QQ is 10 points away. NQ is future contracts are not too far from all-time high. So to do Dow Jones, still kind of flat on the weekly MACD. Let me look at the NQ weekly. NQ, it's kind of a little bit diverted up since beginning of the week. But DXY, daily MACD is upward pre-market right now. Little bit jump up, a little bit green. Next target to watch is 104.369. If that one passes, not gonna be good for techs in general. TNX, keep an eye on TNX. This will tells you after what Powell talks and after FOMC release and then Powell talks, this will tell you market direction. So if this one falls, it tells you that market wants to go up. If this one goes up, and then reverse. Now wicks a little bit green, 2% green. 5 to 1 hour, everything is upward. 1414, if it passes, we're looking at 1447, 1479. So this one tells you that there is possibility maybe some profit locking before FOMC, but it's still 4 hour and daily is downward. Just don't like it that in general weekly is upward. SPX key levels to watch. Let me show you that. SPX, so key level is 5194. If 5194, 58 passes, we're looking at 5212, 5235. Those are the next major level. Above that, those are the next super major level. And 5153 is a key level to watch for downside today. If that one doesn't hold, next key levels are those, and 5128. Below that can go all the way down to 5098, 5069, 5051. Just keep that in mind for FOMC. BTC went down as low as 60 something, 61k, and then it bounced up. So keep an eye on MSTR and coin today. 4 hour MACD is curved up. If the 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms, can go for a bigger bounce up, but in general it's still daily downward. ETH, same thing, it went as close as possible to 3000, then it bounced up so far. So but just keep in mind daily and weekly we got a dark blue bar. Apple, 1 point, it's almost opening flat. Still very bullish on the 4 hour and daily. Key level to watch is 177.23. That one passes, we're looking at 178.37, 179.51. If 175 can hold it, lower supports are 174.95, 174.08, and 173.54 next major level. Amazon showed some strength yesterday and gapping up very little, no, almost flat. So 176.63, if it jumps up, that's a key level. Above that, 177.43. If FOMC good, can run to 180.02. 4 hour is bullish. It's MACD golden cross confirming, but pre-market nothing special. So keep an eye on Amazon. I like that the 4 hour MACD is golden cross. Nvidia, I mean the event is just wow. It's just everything is amazing about Nvidia, and the 4 hour MACD is golden cross right now. There is tons of upgrade came in this morning and last night. So everybody wants the 1000. Eventually it's gonna hit, but it's just a matter of time. Key level to watch: 896 past 903, 911, above 911, 917, 927. If 885 can hold it, next majors are 877, 863, and 845. In general, 4 hour very bullish upward, but just keep in mind daily MACD is dead cross. AVGO, trying to go up. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. 1244 passes, we're looking at 1249, 1258, 1267. Generally is getting bullish. Coin, it went down as low as 220, right? Yeah, 222, and then bounce up because of Bitcoin bounce up. So 4 hour MACD is curved up. 233 is a key level to watch. 233 16. We're looking at 237, 241. If 230 can hold it again, 226, 222, 220. Netflix, every day just jump up, down, then it goes up again. So usually if it falls again at the open, 621, 619 can hold it. We're looking at 616, 613, 611. If 625 passes, 628 is the next key level. If 628 passes, that's a key level of this season high. We're looking at 631, 636, and 641. In general, 4 hour and 1 hour and 30, everything looking bullish. So it's all about opening action. Previously, last 10 days, it's been bullish pre-market. As soon as it opens, it dumped big. Yeah, so Meta, same thing. Yesterday was kind of flat, but as soon as it opened, boom, shatala, went down. And then big recovery. So, but right now, 4 hour is very bullish, 31 hour is upward. So if it falls, it's 497.67. If that one doesn't hold, 495, 493, 491 is the next support. Below that, the next major is 487, and those are the lower level. But if continues going higher, 500 is a key level to watch. 500 passes, 501, 503. Above 503 can run up to those levels. All-time high is 523, so we'll see. Tesla, almost 1 point higher. They finally, we got a dark blue bar on the 4 hour, which is not a good sign. And this run up daily was yellow sign, yellow TTM squeeze 2 days ago, but yesterday a little bit dips caused it to have another red again. I was expecting more green yesterday, but it didn't give it. So right now it's just hovering around 172.15. Need to pass 173.19 to run up to 174.87 and 177.59. If 172.15 can hold it, can easily come back to 170.47. And again, same like last 2 days, every time 170 passes, it goes low, and 168, 166.07. Those are the support to watch. So last few days 166 has been holding. If it doesn't hold, those are the levels to watch in case FOMC comes back too. Microsoft was strong yesterday. It's all about 421. 421.86 pass. We're looking at 424, 427.55. 4 hour is golden cross, so it does have a chance for run up. Indicated pre-market not that much, and the 15 and 30 is kind of flat. If 420 can hold it, we're looking at 418, 416, 415, 36, and if 415 pass, those are the lower level. Google. 4 hour MACD is dead cross. I need to pass 147.33 for running up to 148.94, 151.55. If 146.33 can hold it, if the 4 hours dead cross, we're looking at 144.72, 142.67 next supports. AMD is showing a lot of weakness last few days, especially with Nvidia coming up with the newer chips. It's causing trouble for it. So 181.77 if it can hold it, 180.23, 179.28. Below 170.20, 179, we're looking at next major of 176.45 and 173.62. Pre-market right now, 5 is downward, 15 is curved down, and the 4 hour TTM squeeze is still red bars. We need to get a yellow bar and a MACD golden cross for bounce up. Boeing 4 points lower. This one most likely is gonna have a horrible earning, but we'll see. So to do BA 173 was the low of this morning. It opened at 6 a.m. went to 173. So if it opens and falls, 176.82, 175, 173.54 is the next major. Below that can go as low as 170, 170.63. SPY to do 4 hours still very bullish. Need to pass 516 to run up to 517.82. Above 517 FOMC is good. We're looking at 520, 522, 524. If FOMC doesn't be good, and 514, 513.74 is the next support. If FOMC not good, 511, 509, 507, those are the next support level. QQQ is still 10 points away from all-time high. So if FOMC comes good and market flies up, that's the target for all-time high. 441 is a key level to watch. If that one breaks, we can go to 422. 445.27 is the next major level. If FOMC doesn't come good, 436 is a key level to watch. Below that, next major is 431 and 423. What else? What else? We got the Airbnb. Adobe keeps showing a lot of strength. They have an event next week, so 523 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 528, 534. The Caterpillar keeps making new all-time highs. This one just keeps going higher. Next target there is 356. Above that, 359, 364. What else you got here? QCOM. Snow, somebody asks. So 4-hour MACD is golden cross, and the daily we got a yellow bar. Need to get a daily MACD golden cross for a solid run up, but for now it's showing in bottoming at 150. But I be honest with you, I thought it bottomed at 162. So this one weekly is very bearish. If you play this, it's just in and out. It can do some temporary jump up, but then it can roll down again lower. Need more time for it to have a clear solid bottom. So for now, 4 hours MACD is golden cross, so it does have a chance to go up. It's opening a little bit up, 1 point higher. 159.74 passes. We're looking at 164.57, 169.39. Those are the next major level. 1 hour, 4 hour is bullish, but just keep in mind, in general, it's still weekly is very bearish. It can run up, but then it can fail and go lower again. So yeah, so that's just about the snow. What else you got here? PDD, that went crazy, 150. Well, I mean, they spend a lot of money on advertising. I'm sure some people try 1 order or 2 order. I mean, they give a lot of, free try. They try to give a lot of free gift and stuff. I even tried myself, but the delivery time takes 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and it's so long. And their product quality is very low. The selection is limited. It's not like Amazon. And I honestly think they're cooking their books, and I think they're gonna fail eventually bigger, but right now it jumped up, so it doesn't matter what I think. So 150.28, that's a major level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 151, 152.68. Next major is 154.17. Looking very bullish and crazy jump up there. CMG 50 to 1 is split. This one all-time high, I think, right? 29.60. So past that one, we're looking at 31.32. 33.05, and it's funny, this one 50 to 1 is just it's just crazy. So like if it points every 50 points move right now, it's just gonna be very small in the future. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It's FOMC. Try to be calm. Wait for FOMC. Don't get FOMO. And I do have a video actually about FOMC in my you can see my videos. But thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful day.